Hey Insiders, it's Ian from the Financial Insider. We're all about smart money moves here, and today we're diving deep into the sneaky world of unnecessary spending. We've all been there. That impulse buy that seemed like a good idea at the time, but now just gathers dust in the corner. But fear not. Today, I'm breaking down 9 things you probably think you need, but actually don't. Let's get to it. Number 1. The home gym trap. It's easy to fall into the "I'll work out more if I have all the equipment at home" mindset. But let's be real. That treadmill often becomes an expensive clothes rack. Instead of dropping serious cash on fancy machines, start with the basics. A yoga mat, some resistance bands, and maybe a few dumbbells can go a long way. There are tons of free online resources with effective home workouts. Remember, a fully equipped home gym doesn't guarantee fitness. Consistency and motivation do. Number 2. Kitchen gadget overload. That air fryer, spiralizer, and bread maker all seem so essential in the store, right? But how often are they actually used? Before you buy another single-purpose gadget, apply the 5 times rule. If you find yourself wishing you had a specific tool 5 times within a year, then consider buying it. Otherwise, it's likely to become another clutter culprit. Number 3. Specialty foods and ingredients. That gourmet olive oil or exotic spice blend might seem crucial for that one recipe, but do you really need it? Learn to substitute. Often, you can achieve similar flavors with ingredients you already have. Plus, those pre-packaged diet meals, they're a huge drain on your wallet. You can make healthier meals at home for a fraction of the cost. Number 4. That bloated cable bill. In the age of streaming, why are you still paying for 200 channels you never watch? Cut the cord and explore the world of streaming services. You'll be amazed at the variety and affordability. And if you really need live TV, negotiate a better deal with your provider, or consider a cheaper alternative like Sling or YouTube TV. Number 5. Paper clutter. Drowning in a sea of paperwork? It's time to go digital. Scanning important documents not only saves space, but also makes them easily accessible. Invest in a good scanner and cloud storage service. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you. Number 6. Fancy cleaning supplies. Do you really need a different cleaner for every surface in your home? Simplify your cleaning routine with a good all-purpose cleaner and some basic ingredients like baking soda and vinegar. And when you do buy cleaning products, opt for refills instead of constantly purchasing new bottles. Number 7. The Matchy-Matchy home. It's tempting to fill your home with brand new, perfectly matching furniture and appliances. But resist the urge. Explore thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces for unique and affordable finds. Embrace the charm of a curated, eclectic style, and your wallet will thank you. Number 8. The unused room. That formal sitting room or guest room that rarely sees any action, it's time to repurpose it. Transform that wasted space into a home office, a gym, or a hobby room. Maximize every square foot of your living space. Number 9. The latest gadgets. Do you really need the newest phone or laptop every year? Before you fall for the hype, consider upgrading your existing devices. Often, a simple software update or a battery replacement can give your gadgets a new lease on life. There you have it, insiders. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel so this video could benefit more people who are in the dark with their spending and finances. 9 things you can stop wasting your money on. Remember, smart spending is about prioritizing what truly matters to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. See you in the next video.